Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some exciting news to share with you all in today's video, and that's about our favorite TV series, When Calls the Heart. Today we are here with a biography of our favorite cast member, Chris McNally, aka Lucas. We also have some of the interesting things you didn't know about him as well. Do watch this video till the end to know everything about Chris McNally. Chris McNally is an American actor who is best recognized for his performance in TV shows like Supernatural, Lucifer, and notably in the hit Netflix show Altered Carbon, which aired in 2018. In 2014, he won the category of Best Actor in a Feature Film at the Audience Award for his acting in the film John Applejack. The gay-themed romantic film received favorable reviews and was a highlight of several film festivals across various countries. Chris was born on 8 November 1988 in Ontario, Canada, and was raised alongside his siblings. He is a native of Canada and grew up in North Vancouver. The actor is also the eldest of three siblings. Chris has a younger brother and a sister. During his school days, the actor had an interest in jazz music, and while studying at Argyle Secondary School, he even joined a jazz band. Although he joined Capilano University after high school to study business, he dropped out after a year since he wanted to pursue a career in acting. So he joined private acting studios to learn performance art. He first started as an actor by training in Railtown Actors Studio, where he performed in several theatre plays. Afterward, he got a chance to act in films such as The Sweetest Heart and even appeared in the Emmy-nominated series Falling Skies. The 32-year-old also starred in a movie called Heaven, which was released in July 2019. The TV film is adapted from the book of the same title by author V.C. Andrews. Despite his success in Hollywood, Chris is also active in theater works as he considers it to be his source of inspiration. Is Chris McNally married? The actor has managed to keep the information about his girlfriend very secretive. Chris has neither shared the name or any pictures of his girlfriend until today, and he revealed that his girlfriend's ethnicity is South American. However, it is reported that he is in a happy relationship with Julie Gonzalo, who was his co-star in the 2018 Hallmark movie Sweetest Heart. However, neither of them has accepted or denied it. In a 2019 interview, when asked about when he feels the sexiest, the good-looking actor sailed away and said that if his girlfriend calls him handsome, it makes him feel good. Moreover, he was also revealed that the most romantic thing he has ever done is decorating their apartment, which hints towards them living together. If my girlfriend tells me I'm handsome, that'll make me feel good, he said. Interestingly though, Chris is very fond of dogs and can't help himself from sharing moments with all kinds of dog breeds he come across. He also had two dogs, Charlie and Bowie of Pointer breed. Moreover, Julie Gonzalo has also shared a couple of pictures of McNally's dog on her Instagram handle. In September 2019, she took to Instagram to share her personalized birthday cake with Charlie and Bowie's fondant statues on top of an Argentinian jersey. Chris McNally's net worth and height. On the economic side of things, Chris makes a sufficient amount of money through his works on TVs and movies. His net worth is estimated to be more than $1 million. As an actor in the United States, he is paid more than $50,000 annually. Because he now started working under contract for big studios such as Netflix and Lifetime, his bookkeeper must be happy for him. In terms of height, the actor stands an impressive 6 feet and 2 inches, that is 1.88 meters tall. Now let's talk about some of the interesting things you didn't know about Chris McNally. Chris McNally almost played the character Nathan Grant. Elizabeth has made her choice and it is Lucas. Chris McNally is the lucky actor that gets to play Lucas Bouchard. Yet, it didn't start that way. Speaking to a podcast, he explained that he auditioned for both roles of Lucas and Nathan. However, the method of auditioning started differently for each role. When Chris auditioned for the role of Saloon owner, he did a live audition. He said, "I didn't think it went very well at all." Then Chris elaborated, "It was one of those ones where you leave going, 'Man, I really screwed that one up. I wish I could roll back the clock and try again.'" Unfortunately, it looked like the door was slammed shut. However, he had a second chance to play a Hope Valley character. He had made an audition tape for the character of Mountie, Nathan Grant. That tape was sent from LA to Canada to his Canadian representation. The tape impressed When Calls the Heart showrunners. His next tape was a chemistry read with Erin Krakow. After he tried out for Nathan, they asked him to hang around and try out for Lucas. This time, Chris got it right. That time, I felt great about the read. He felt redeemed. I felt like I did what I wanted to do, what I should have done the first time. Chris McNally worked with Viv Leacock early in his career. Chris McNally and Erin Krakow were on podcasts talking about Elizabeth's choice. They also spoke about season 9. Erin is excited about the Canfields and looks forward to more stories. Chris cracked in the podcast saying he had worked with Viv Leacock, who portrays Joseph Canfield, early in his career. He was in Supernatural and he had a role that did not have any speaking. He kept trying to say a word, and they had to keep cutting the action. An actor gets more money if they speak in a role than if they remain silent. Chris admits his hands were sweaty and he was nervous. However, Viv helped him get through his situation early in McNally's career, and now they are in the same show. Chris cannot be more appreciative of how kind and helpful Viv was to the young actor. Chris likes painting, drawing, and dreams of opening a boutique cocktail bar. When Chris McNally was recently on the deck, the Hallmark podcast, the Vancouver native shared how he got into acting. Although he had an agent as a child, he didn't do so well. He only practiced acting at auditions. That was not a good game plan. After high school was done, he went for a semester and realized how much he loved acting. He quit all of his classes except for painting and drawing. Chris loves to be artistic. While he was in acting school, he bartended and continues to do so at home. His latest creation is a whiskey raspberry jam sour. One of his dreams is to open a boutique cocktail bar that is low-key. Sounds like he is perfect for playing Lucas. Yet, Chris did reveal he suffers from serious anxiety. This is something he deals with when auditioning for roles in his chosen profession. Chris McNally did not know Elizabeth's choice until much later. Chris McNally was asked on the deck, the Hallmark podcast, on how soon he found out Elizabeth's choice. Chris did not reveal her choice, but he did share that at the beginning of season 8, there seemed to be a game plan. He then revealed that this plan seemed to go back and forth a few times. However, it was just before shooting the final scenes that he found out who Elizabeth will choose. Amazingly, he kept a straight face and joked about Kevin being the choice. Of course, Elizabeth chose Lucas. Hearties, do you know all you need to know about When Calls the Heart actor Chris McNally? Do let us know in the comment section below. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of When Calls the Heart as it comes in. We will have all the burning When Calls the Heart spoilers, updates, and news you're looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and do subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.